Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about precisely putting hardware on cabinets. We're going to be using the True Position hardware jig system. It comes in this nice blow molded case, and most of us have used shop-made jigs or job site-made jigs that are just a couple of boards screwed together and some holes drilled, and they work great to do one kitchen or one project, and then you save it and lose it, or you keep it for the next time, but as more you use it, the holes, if it's just wood holes, they get loose and not so precise. This unit is designed to work in multiple operations. There are hardened bushings that are here so that you use your drill and it's not going to widen the holes or anything. There's nice engravings in metric and English and little stop fences that allow you to adjust it, all different sizes. So the way this would work is you would take your hardware, and first, I've already done that, line up the holes so they match your hardware there. For just a single knob, you could use this center hole. And then you can use it to work on drawer fronts, or you can use it with some additional stops that come with it that can be slid on here like that, so that you can use it on the side here, so you can, locate a handle there or anywhere, and it's repetitive. It even has parts in the system that you can do system holes, 32 millimeter system holes for shelves or other drilling. So it's quite versatile. But let's see how the procedure would work on a drawer front. If you're centering the handle on this drawer front, you would measure your drawer and mark your center line. And then this fence on here has a little notch in it on both sides, so that you can use that as a centering device. And I want these 3 inches down. So I set that for the 3 inches, line this up with the center line, and then I'm ready to drill. If I was going to do this, I would readjust it so that I use this stop here, and I could set this up right there and there to be where I want this knob or this handle, so that it lines up like right about there. And then go ahead and drill there. Okay, let's see how this works. I've adjusted this fence here to 3 inches so that it'll be 3 inches down. I'm using this little notch on the top here and lining it up with the mark that I made on there. And so it sits right on there. I'm using the drill bit that comes with it that fits in these bushings, really nice. And So then we can and there we have our hardware. Pretty nice. Now, the procedure is a little different trying to do the hardware on the door here, where we're trying to put the handle down here lined up. So what we're going to do is slide this piece in to there. So that's where we want to be there. And then we want to put a stop on the end to line that up about there. And then we can just drill this guy . Just want to make sure that this is where it wants to be. And there we have it. So you can see with a little mock-up here that it's really easy and fast and precise to put on handles with this true position it's true position jig. And it does a lot of other things. It's a lot more versatile than the shop-built jigs that we've used for so many years. It's definitely worth checking out. That's what we got for today. Thank you for watching our videos. You can see more videos on FDMC magazine and woodworkingnetwork.com. Thanks for watching.